How to turn off data saver on your Android phone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can turn off your data saver on your Android device if you have turned it on. So if you're also looking forward on how you can turn it off, in this video, we are going to show you exactly how you can do it. So let's just get started with the video. First thing first, open up your Android phone and you just need to head over to the main settings of the device. And once you're here, look for connections. And under connections, we're going to look up for the option called data uses, which is right below the mobile networks right here. Or if you can't find it on your device as the settings may vary, you may just head over and go to search and type in data uses and you will be taken to the settings available. So once you're here, you will be easily finding this option called data saver right here. You can just go ahead and tap on it. If it is turned on, you can just go ahead and turn it off. This option, you can turn off this button right here and it will be turned off. So that is it. That is how you turn off your data saver on your Android device as well, which is super easy and a straightforward process you can follow up. So that is it. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And if you have got any questions, you can just drop them down below. So thank you.